Dumelang, welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to learn commanding expressions. If you are a teacher, this will come in handy. Remember, these commanding expressions might come out as rude if they are not used in a proper way. Nthetsa, nthetsa. Listen to me. Retsa, retsa. Listen. Tlaa kwano, tlaa kwano. Come here. Nafa, nafa. Sit here. Boela ko morago. Boela ko morago. Go back. Ema gone foo. Ema gone foo. Stop there or stop right there. Nna fafatshe. Nna fafatshe. Sit down. Ema ka dinao. Ema ka dinao. Stand on your feet. Didimala. Didimala. Be quiet or shut up. Boela ko godimo. Boela ko godimo. Speak louder. Lotlolola phone. Lotlolola phone. Unlock your phone. Lotlela phone. Lotlela phone. Lock your phone. Raga bolo. Raga bolo. Kick the ball. Tshwara bolo. Tshwara bolo. Hold the ball. Tima le bone. Tima le bone. Turn off the light. Tshuba le bone. Tshuba le bone. Turn on the light. Go fitlha re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Salang sentle. Ke lebogela thotloetso ya lona. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that. Until we meet again next time, go siana.